So today I'm putting a lift on my first gen Tacoma.
Doesn't matter.
It's a 98, so we have a lift kit here from ToyTec.
Not a sponsor?
No, I wish. But yeah, so we have our adjustable 3-inch coils, the Bilsteins.
Ooh, 3 inches.
Yeah, it's gonna go on the front. We have a differential drop kit, and then we have add-a-leafs for the back over there with shocks to go with that.
Leaf springs.
Or add-a-leafs.
Or add-a-leafs. Either one.
Okay, so yeah, we're gonna start digging into it. And,
so we're gonna turn this into this shiny little substance.
Yep. So right now we're gonna take the wheel off and then remove the strut. 3 bolts on the top. Mine, they're OEM replacement, and they come with bigger nuts, so they're 15s. You're gonna have one on the bottom. It's 19, and then we're gonna have to take off this nut on the upper ball joint so we can drop the lower control arm so we can get the new coilover in there. So right now we're gonna take the wheel off.
Taking the wheel off.
Hey!
You got to know about this.
I'm just here for moral support.
Yeah, support? Okay, we're good.
Place on the top. Take them off. It's a little dirty. That's how we like it. Okay, so we got this bottom bolt right here. It's gonna be a 19, so we're taking that out next. Get a wrench on the back. Yeah, gun on it.
Okay.
Bam. Just like that. And we gotta make it easier. I mean, we could just put a punch right here, press that bolt out, but to make it easier to remove this and to put the new coil in, it's just easier to knock this ball joint loose so we can get some more droop on it. So that's what we're gonna do right now. So it's gonna be seized in there, so you're gonna want to put a good amount of lube, penetrating fluid on it.
Ooh, I like that penetrating fluid.
Ideally, you want to let it sit for a bit, but we're impatient, so we're just gonna start smacking it with the hammer. Gonna start at the upper control arm, and then alternate spindle on the upper control arm just to loosen it.
Work your way down.
Oh, it's already going.
Drop.
Cool. Now we're done. Move this out of the way. Take out our lower bolt. Cool. And your old strut's out.
There you go. Just like that.
Yep, and then installation is the reverse of that process. So we're gonna get started on it right now. Clean it up, get all the dirt. You don't want rocks and gunk on your threads when you put it back together. You're just gonna mess it up. So clean it up and we'll be right back.
This is the old one right here. This is the new one.
All right, so installation is reverse of removal. So we're gonna slap this bad boy in right here. Get your hardware. These are going to be 14s. They have a little washer on there. We like to Loctite and torque all our fasteners.
What's the torque spec on those bolts that you're putting on?
So these top ones are 47 foot-pounds, and then the bottom bolt is going to be 80 foot-pounds. No, actually it's 101 foot-pounds for the bottom bolt, and then the upper ball joint, the nut is going to be 80. So it's 47, 101, 80.
Okay.
So when we took this out, it goes in facing this way, but it's kind of a pain in the ass to get a torque wrench in here because you have this bracket fucking covering everything. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just flip it, put it through, get a nut on the back, and just put a wrench to make it easier that way. You know, it's not gonna kill anything.
So what is my part taking?
Okay, right now, you know what? Here, you want to put the bolt in?
Yeah, here, I'll put the...
So I'm going to.
I'll stick her in. A little more, a little more.
Perfect, perfect.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow.
Cool.
Look how easy that slide in there.
Yeah, and then,
That's why you
Because it takes a skilled technician.
That's
Yeah,
why you
it's
have to lube up the stick. So you
zip
stick it
tie
in the hole.
technician.
All right.
Then you get your washer, your nut, and put it on the back end. Loctite your bolt. Get it on and torque it. Okay, so for those of you that don't have access to a lift, or if you're doing this in your garage, it's going to be on jack stands, whatever. So have all the tires touching the ground, and then so what we're going to do, just so we can get this ball joint to get up in the upper control arm, we're going to lift the lower control arm. Right there is good. We're just going to snug it up. So yeah, preferably if you have a buddy help you out. You could probably do it all by yourself, but it'd be easier if just have a friend help you get that up there. Tighten it down. Go up a little more. All right, so yeah, we're just gonna torque everything. This is how you want to do it. Have the suspension, you know, loaded, and then go to town on the torque. So let's do it. Oh, that's gonna be a 21.
21. All right.
Yep. Get it on there. 80 foot-pounds. Bam.
There it goes.
Done. Now, taking that out, you're gonna more than likely wreck your cotter pin. So, I'm gonna put a new one in here. Find where the hole lines up. So, we're gonna have to turn it over more. So, if you do that, you don't really want to back it off because then it's not gonna be on the right torque. So, it's just better to tighten it more. Move it over. Almost there, almost there.
What are you trying to do? Align that hole?
Yeah, align the hole with the castle nut. Yep. Coat. Yep, just like that. You use your fingers or pair of pliers. Fuck it. Don't know where the other ones are.
Right there.
Bam.
Right
Bam.
And that's
Done.
it.
That's upper ball joint. Now we're gonna do the bolts on the top of the coilover. 14, and you're gonna do that 47 foot-pounds. Three. Perfect.
There it is.
Perfect. 101. Money. That's the front. Installing the coilovers. Put the wheel back on. Torque the lug nuts. You're ready to go.